Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make intro video without using any kind of expensive software. So let's see the preview what we're going to create today. So you saw the preview. This kind of intro videos we can make without using any kind of software. To make this video I'm going to use a website called Envato Placeit. I'll provide the link in video description. You can go to this link and make this kind of intro video without using any kind of software. So first go to this link and then you need to create an account. To create account, go to this free account option. Then from here you can sign up with your email address or connect with your Facebook account, Apple ID, or you can sign up with any external email address. So now just log into your account, then go to intros and slideshows. From here select intros and out. So here you can see that all kind of templates are available here. So as we are going to make intro video, we just need to find intro maker option from this website. So here is the intro maker option. Just click on this. By the way, you can download all of my 3D templates in just one bundle. It's called 10 plus 3D into templates. I'll provide the link in video description. So from this option you need to choose your template. So I'm going to search for 3D intro. Click on it and it will show some 3D intro templates. From here you can check the preview and select which template you want to edit. So I'm going to use this template. Just click on it. Let's see the preview. So now here we just need to replace this logo and text. To replace logo, just click on this upload image and from here choose your logo, then crop it. So logo is here. Now change the text from here. So text is ready. Now just click on this update option. Now if you want to change the background color, you can change it from here. And you can also change its font from here. Now everything is complete. You just need to click on this play all sides. It will render our animation. So now you can see that our animation is ready. Now you can just download it or save it in your PC. So everything is complete. Now let's see the pricing. So it is unlimited subscription, start from $10. If you buy this subscription, make unlimited intro videos with high resolution, full HD and 4K, and you can also use for making any kind of banner, designing a business card, logo, make any kind of intro videos, slideshows. So this is the video for today. Hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed then make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.